Are you on the hunt for innovative ways to boost your income? Well, you're not alone. Across Australia, many individuals are juggling multiple jobs to make ends meet. In fact, the trend of holding more than one job has skyrocketed, reaching a record high in the middle of 2023. This surge in side hustles is not just a fad. It's a response to the rising cost of living, fueled by the power of the gig economy and digital tools that make it easier than ever to turn your skills and passions into profit. So, if you're looking to pad your wallet, you're in the right place. Stick around as we break down the top 5 side hustles that could help you generate that much-needed extra income. On top of our list is freelance work. Now, what does that entail? Well, freelance work is broad and covers a wide range of industries. It's all about using your unique skills to provide services on a project-by-project basis. Take graphic design, writing, coding, consulting. These are all areas where freelance work thrives. You might be a whiz at creating logos, or maybe you have a knack for crafting compelling articles. Perhaps you're a coding genius, or maybe your expertise lies in advising businesses on their strategies. Whatever your skill set, there's a good chance you can put it to work in the freelance arena. One of the great things about freelance work is its flexibility. You can choose when you work, where you work, and who you work for. It's all about finding the right balance that suits your lifestyle and your financial needs. But it's not just about making money. Freelance work can also be incredibly satisfying. It allows you to leverage your skills and passion to create something of value. It empowers you to take control of your career path and carve out your own niche. Keep in mind though, while the gig economy has opened up numerous opportunities, it does require dedication and hustle. But don't let that deter you. The rewards of freelancing often extend beyond the financial. With freelance work, you become your own boss, setting your hours and rates. Isn't that the dream? Next on our list, selling goods or services online. As the digital world continues to expand, so too do the opportunities to generate income from the comfort of your own home. Selling goods or services online is an increasingly popular side hustle, with platforms like Etsy, eBay, and even Instagram becoming bustling marketplaces. Now let's break this down. The first step is to identify a unique product or service you can offer. It could be anything from handmade crafts to professional consulting services. The key is to find something that sets you apart from the competition, something that's uniquely you. Then choose the right platform for your product or service. This could be a well-established e-commerce site, or perhaps a niche platform more closely related to what you're selling. The platform you choose can significantly impact your visibility and potential customer base. Now you may be wondering, why is having a unique product or service so important? Well, in the vast ocean of online sellers, you need to stand out. Offering something unique not only attracts customers, but also helps to build your brand and reputation. Remember though, success may not come overnight. Building a client base takes time and effort, but with patience, consistency, and the right strategy, you can turn your side hustle into a thriving online business. Selling online gives you the opportunity to reach a global market right from your living room. Third on our list is tutoring. This side hustle has seen a surge in demand thanks to a world increasingly focused on education and skill development. Whether you're a math whiz, a history buff, or a language maestro, there's a tutoring opportunity waiting for you. And it's not limited to academic subjects. Are you a guitar hero or a Picasso in the making? There are people eager to learn these skills too. Now let's talk about the potential of online tutoring platforms. They've truly revolutionized the tutoring landscape, making it possible to connect with students from all corners of the globe. You're no longer bound by geographical constraints. Plus, with flexible scheduling, you can tutor at a time that suits you, making it a perfect fit for those juggling multiple commitments. Tutoring is not only a great way to earn extra income, but it's also a way to share knowledge and make a difference. It's a side hustle that's as rewarding as it is profitable. So if you've got a skill or subject you're passionate about, why not consider sharing it through tutoring? Fourth on our list, a fun and active side hustle, dog walking. With an increasing number of pet owners and limited time, the demand for dog walkers is on the rise. It's a chance to earn money while being outdoors, soaking up the sun, and staying active. Plus, it's an opportunity to build a loyal customer base right in your local neighborhood. And let's not forget the joy of having a four-legged friend as your walking buddy. It's a hustle that doesn't feel like work. Dog walking allows you to earn money while enjoying the company of our furry friends. Last on our list, but certainly not the least, subleasing a room. This side hustle is all about making the most out of your unused space. Imagine that spare room in your home could be a goldmine. You're essentially renting out a room in your property to someone else. And there are so many platforms that make this process seamless. Websites like Airbnb and Roomy are just a couple of examples. The beauty of subleasing is that it's fairly hands-off once you've set it up, and it can provide a steady passive income. Remember, every corner of your home could potentially be a moneymaker. Subleasing a room can turn your unused space into a steady stream of income. So, there you have it, the top 5 side hustles to consider in 2024. From freelance work that takes advantage of your unique skills, to selling goods or services online, there are many ways to supplement your income. Tutoring, dog walking, or even subleasing a room can all be profitable ventures. The beauty of side hustles is that they not only provide an additional income stream, but also the potential for financial freedom. They also open up opportunities for personal satisfaction and the chance to build a new professional network. Remember, the right side hustle is out there for you. It's all about leveraging your skills, passion, and the digital tools at your disposal. Best of luck in your side hustle journey.